Time to combine branching, commits, pull requests, review, CI, and merging into one real, complete feature shipped start to finish. In this video you'll ship a genuine feature the real way, end to end. This real branch and commit sequence combines branching and staging, two earlier topics, to start the feature safely, isolated from main. This real push and PR step combines remotes and pull requests. The feature is now genuinely visible and ready for team review. This real final step combines CI, required reviews, and merging everything from this series working together to ship one genuine feature. Shipping a real feature usually combines many GitHub skills together, not just one. Branching, PRs, review, CI, and merging all work together in a real team workflow. This same real pattern scales to any feature, in any real team, on any real project. Ship one real, small feature of your own using this full branch to merge workflow. That's the full Git and GitHub series. Go ship something real with it.